I'm going to describe a simulation that models batch distillation for the case where we have an azeotrope. And the simulation allows us to change the reflux ratio, the number of equilibrium stages, and the composition of the still. So you can look at this simulation as just a snapshot in time, because in a batch distillation, of course, the still concentration is continuously changing. What we're interested in here is at some instant, what are the conditions? There's a separate simulation for multi-stage batch distillation that shows the samples collected and how the batch still composition changes with time. Now that simulation does not look at an azeotrope. So here we're trying to represent an azeotrope, and we're doing this by showing the YX diagram, the mole fraction of vapor phase on the y-axis, the mole fraction liquid phase on the x-axis. And so the orange curve is the vapor-liquid equilibrium line. So for example, in this case, the still composition is 0.2. So that's the liquid phase still composition. The vapor in equilibrium with it is at a mole fraction of 0.4 of component B. And this shows 3 stages. This point is the azeotrope. When that orange line crosses the 45-degree line, that means the liquid and the vapor mole fractions are identical. So what we're going to do now is look at the interactive simulation and observe the behavior as we change some of these sliders. So here's the simulation for a minimum boiling azeotrope. So let me decrease the number of stages, and let's lower this still composition. So if I increase the reflux ratio, then you see the mole fraction in the distillate increases. Likewise, if I increase the number of stages, the mole fraction of the distillate increases. Now, as I go to more stages, I'm going to reach the azeotrope, and then more stages doesn't help. We're not doing any separation at the azeotrope. This is the minimum boiling. Now, where the still is located, you'll notice the mole fraction of B is higher in the vapor phase than the liquid phase under these conditions. If I move up here now, the mole fraction of B in the vapor phase is lower than in the liquid phase. But again, as I increase the number of stages, I approach the azeotrope. So this is minimum boiling. We also can look at maximum boiling azeotrope, and let's lower. So now, at this condition, as we increase the number of stages, we're moving away from the azeotrope. And indeed, at the other extreme, we see the same thing, that we're moving away from the azeotrope. Now, this simulation also has condition for no azeotrope, so you can better understand the batch distillation on XY diagram, where at all conditions we're enriched in the vapor phase over the liquid phase with component B.